If the tech world has its way, just about everything you touch will soon be connected. We're not just talking about lights and music and video doorbells either, we're talking everything. At giant tech shows like CES, we saw connected mood ring refrigerators, toilets, cutting boards, baby strollers, mirrors, watchdog drones, and so much more. And these, well, they tend to get all the attention. But the gadgets that will actually impact our lives in the days and weeks to come, the ones that can save us time, money, energy, and the planet right now, well, they're worth seeing too. This company says it can take any electrical circuit and make it smart.
Not only make any electrical circuit smart, but then also use power consumption and power monitoring to make intelligent decisions.
Can save you money, right? Check. It's convenient. Check. Security. A lot of people feel like, no way am I going to allow, something connected to the internet into my home. What's the answer for that?
You can actually have full functionality of all the Shelly products without ever connecting them to the cloud.
Expect to hear more about this company. Several of Shelly's newest smart home automation gadgets are out now. At another nearby booth, Geniverse, they ran their entire showroom display off of one of their own backup generators. This is what pretty much everyone facing epic storms wishes they had right about now. If you've ever used portable generators before, you'll understand why these are different. There aren't any fumes. They're whisper quiet compared to gas-guzzling generators of years past. You can use them indoors, and they can power just about everything from lights and Wi-Fi to medical devices and most appliances. Jennifer says it can even run your refrigerator for 35 hours on a single charge. Add some solar panels and, it's a cool next-gen self-sustainable energy source, and it's available now. 2023 will go down as a year a new generation of smart home gadgets led the masses into more widespread home automation. And these, they're just two of the companies already leading the way. I'm Jennifer Jolly. Read more in the column with this video in the tech section of usatoday.com.